Part 1. The ALFWIZ Communication. Philosophy. Learning the language of the leaders. The ALFWIZ Communication. Philosophy of learning the language of the leaders proposes that individuals can become more effective organizational participants by intentionally learning the language used by organizational leaders to describe priorities, problems, opportunities, risks, performance, strategy, and organizational value. The philosophy is related to, but distinct from, established research on leadership communication, organizational sense-making, strategic discourse, and strategic concepts. Existing research demonstrates that language plays an important role in leadership, strategic sense-making, organizational change, and the creation of shared meaning. The ALFWIZ philosophy builds on these ideas by shifting the focus from teaching leaders how to communicate effectively to teaching organizational members how to understand and communicate within the conceptual framework used by leaders. In this sense, ALFWIZ proposes that organizational communication can become more effective when employees develop fluency in the language, priorities, assumptions, and reasoning that influence leadership decisions. The first concept against which ALFWIZ can be compared is leadership communication. Leadership communication generally focuses on how leaders communicate with employees and other organizational stakeholders. Research on leadership communication has examined how leaders provide direction, demonstrate empathy, create meaning, motivate employees, and communicate during periods of change. Mayfield and Mayfield, for example, proposed a framework around strategic language that emphasized direction-giving, empathetic communication, and meaning-making as important aspects of leader communication. The central question in this traditional perspective is essentially, how can leaders communicate more effectively so that organizational members understand, respond, and perform effectively? The communication learning process therefore tends to move from the leader toward the follower. The ALFWIZ communication philosophy reverses that emphasis. Its central question is, how can organizational members learn to understand the language, concepts, priorities, assumptions, and reasoning used by organizational leaders so that they can communicate more effectively within the organization? Rather than focusing primarily on how leaders communicate downward, ALFWIZ focuses on how employees can develop the ability to understand upward and across the organization. The philosophy proposes that learning the language of leaders involves much more than memorizing executive vocabulary. It involves learning the words leaders use, understanding what those words mean within a particular organization, recognizing the priorities behind those words, understanding how leaders evaluate alternatives and make decisions, and learning how to translate one's own work into terms that demonstrate organizational value. The central proposition of ALFWIZ is that individuals who understand the language and reasoning of organizational leaders may be better positioned to communicate organizational value, interpret strategic priorities, influence decisions, manage upward, collaborate across organizational levels, and align their work with broader organizational objectives. In this sense, ALFWIZ views leadership language as a form of organizational literacy. An individual can be highly competent in a particular profession or position while still lacking fluency in the language used to discuss strategy, organizational performance, risk, resources, and long-term objectives. ALFWIZ suggests that developing this fluency can help bridge the gap between being capable of performing one's job and understanding how that job contributes to the broader organization. One of the strongest potential benefits of ALFWIZ is its ability to improve communication across organizational levels. Organizations contain multiple perspectives, and employees, supervisors, managers, executives, customers, and different functional departments may describe the same situation in very different ways. A frontline employee may understand a problem through the lens of daily operations, while an executive may view the same problem through the lens of financial performance, strategic risk, customer impact, or organizational capacity. Learning the language of leadership can provide a translation mechanism between these perspectives. Rather than replacing the employee's operational understanding, ALFWIZ seeks to help the employee translate that understanding into a form that can be more readily understood and evaluated by decision makers. Another potential benefit is the development of strategic awareness. Employees often understand what they do without fully understanding why the organization considers that work important. ALFWIZ encourages individuals to move from thinking about their responsibilities as isolated tasks toward understanding the connection between their work, team outcomes, organizational objectives, and overall strategy. The progression can be understood as moving from task to responsibility, from responsibility to outcome, from outcome to organizational objective, and from organizational objective to strategy. This broader perspective can help employees understand how their individual contributions affect the organization's ability to achieve its goals. ALFWIZ may also improve an individual's ability to manage upward. Managing upward is not simply the process of keeping a supervisor satisfied. It involves understanding how a leader evaluates information, what types of evidence influence decisions, which risks are important, and what information is needed to make a decision. An employee who understands these elements may be able to present problems and recommendations in a way that is more useful to leadership. Rather than simply presenting a problem, the employee can identify the organizational impact, possible alternatives, relevant risks, costs, opportunities, and recommended action. In this way, learning the language of leaders may allow employees to become more effective participants in organizational decision-making. Another significant advantage of ALFWIZ is its potential to help employees advocate more effectively for themselves, their teams, and their organizations. An employee might say, for example, that a team needs additional staff because the team is overwhelmed. While this communicates a genuine concern, it may not communicate the concern in terms that leadership uses when allocating resources. A more strategically framed explanation might demonstrate that the existing capacity constraint threatens service levels, creates delivery risk, increases employee turnover risk, or prevents the organization from achieving a strategic objective. The underlying problem has not changed. What has changed is the translation of the problem into organizational terms. ALFWIZ therefore has the potential to give employees a more effective voice within organizational decision-making. The philosophy may also contribute to leadership development. Learning how leaders think about organizational problems can encourage employees to begin asking questions that extend beyond their immediate responsibilities. They may begin asking what the organization is trying to accomplish, what constraints it faces, what creates value, what risks it is accepting, what trade-offs exist, which metrics matter, and where resources should be allocated. These questions represent a movement from an operational perspective toward a strategic perspective. Consequently, ALFWIZ could potentially serve as a developmental bridge between individual contribution and leadership responsibility. Another potential benefit is the reduction of what might be called organizational translation loss. Important information can become distorted or diluted as it moves through multiple organizational levels. An employee may observe something important. A supervisor may interpret it differently, a manager may further reinterpret it, and an executive may ultimately receive a highly compressed version of the original observation. If employees and leaders share a greater understanding of organizational concepts and priorities, some of that translation loss may be reduced. ALFWIZ could therefore contribute to a common organizational vocabulary that makes it easier to communicate complex information across hierarchical levels. At its core, then, ALFWIZ proposes something relatively simple but potentially powerful. Learn the language of the leaders so you can better understand the organization, translate your own expertise, and participate more effectively in organizational decisions. But that proposition also raises important questions. What happens if learning the language of leadership becomes learning corporate jargon? What happens if it reinforces hierarchy? What happens if employees become so fluent in leadership's language that they stop challenging leadership? And what happens if leadership itself is wrong? Those questions lead us to the second part of the discussion: